Are you looking for an investment with a guaranteed return and great prospects for capital growth here in central Queensland? Then 902 in the Quest building on the Rockhampton riverfront is the property for you. I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents. Let's have a look at this fantastic property. This dual key unit features 2 apartments, a 1-bedroom unit and a studio apartment. These are both in the Quest hotel pool and can be rented out separately or as a whole. Unit A features a separate bedroom and fantastic views over the city. If you see potential in this 2-unit apartment and its fantastic investment potential, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts at McGrath Estate Agents.